Do Filipinas prefer blue eyes and blonde hair over Filipino men?
I think most of the girls here in the Philippines still prefer.
Do you think Filipino men get jealous when Filipinas are with foreigners? What's the thing you admire most about Western women?
Siyempre, mas pogi.
Oh, you said that they're jealous because foreigners are more cute. We have a trio here. What are your names?
Christine po. Christine.
Christine.
Angela po. Cassandra po.
Sandra. Wow, you all so pretty. Friends or relatives? What?
Cousins.
Cousins. Wow, you have good genes. Okay. Anyway, so here's the question. Okay, do Filipinas prefer blue eyes and blonde hair over Filipino men? Just your opinion.
Filipino men.
Filipino men po.
Filipino men po.
May I ask why? Why do you think so?
Kasi they understand each other more. And I guess we love our country too much that we love everybody here instead of someone in other country.
Okay. So I guess your answer, if I ask you who would you prefer, you will say Filipino men, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you all like singles?
Yes. No, they are both taken, mom.
So both singles. I mean,
I'm taken.
you're
I am
taken. You're taken. Okay. Anyway. Okay. How about this one? Okay. Last question. What's the thing you admire most about Western women? Ano yung pinakagusto mo about sa Western women?
not
Their look.
Their look.
po. Pero they are good at communicating.
What's your name and age?
My name is Shireen. I'm 19.
18. She's very cute in person. Okay, so here's the question. Do Filipinas prefer blue eyes and blonde hair over Filipino men? Ano ba, in your opinion, ano ba ang mas gusto kang Filipino women? Someone with blue eyes, blonde hair, or Pinoy?
Someone with blue eyes and blonde hair.
Nata, why?
Siyempre, Filipino, parang yung iba, mas gusto may lahi yung baby nila.
Because some Filipino women, they prefer that their kids are like half. Yeah, like half. Because of the genes. That's what she's trying to say. How do you think Filipino men feel about Filipinas preferring foreigners? Ano ba sa paghiling mo yung nararamdaman ka mga Pinoy na lalaki kapag nakakahiling sindo or yung may mga Filipina na may foreigners na mas prefer na yung foreigners?
Nonchalant. Char. Depende sa kanila. Siyempre may mga Pilipina din kasing mas gusto yung yung Filipino.
It depends to them because there are Filipinas that, who prefer foreigners. But ano yung nararamdaman nilang? What do you think they feel?
Inggit.
Jealous. Okay. Where are they jealous?
Siyempre, mas pogi.
Oh, you said that they're jealous because foreigners are more cute.
Yeah.
Pogi, more cute.
Taller, tas white skin, gano'n.
Taller and because of the skin color. What are your names and ages?
So, hi, I'm Jess. I'm 19 years old.
I'm Tian. I'm 35 years old.
Friends?
We are sisters.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yes. I thought like friends or, cousins, like you sisters. Beautiful. Okay, so here's the question. Do Filipinas prefer blue eyes and blonde hair over Filipino men?
Mine, it's no. I like Filipino men with dark skin and moreno. I no, with brown eyes. Yeah.
Okay. So that's you who, how about you, Beth?
Yeah, if you're going to ask me what I am prefer, what is my prefer about men, I'd like to answer about the blue eyes and blonde hair because it's a unique one. We don't have here in the Philippines like that. And of course, it seems like if someone has a blue eyes and blonde hair, they're going to see they all I mean everyone are going to see him or her just like that, and they're going to see who is with him or who is with her. And that's so amazing for me.
Okay, how about the majority? Do you think Filipinas prefer someone who has blue eyes, blonde hair, or they prefer Filipino men? Because your answers are like for you. How about like the majority? Do you think Filipinas,
Yeah, they gonna like they will prefer boys with unique, because the uniqueness, and also so they can flex in social media that they have boyfriend like that. Yeah,
boyfriend with blue eyes and blonde hair?
a very unique.
Okay, and how about you?
I belong with the majority because there's a unique, yeah.
What's the thing you admire most about Western women?
OMG. I admire the most the Western women because they are so tall. They are tall and white, and of course they're very beautiful. Just but then no, just that's it.
Mine is I'm the style of their nose. It's very insecure, and also the height, and
Similarities, just like Filipinos. Similar.
and then their skin are so smooth. Also, the face are, it doesn't have pores.
So you feel insecure because of those things.
Yeah, especially the color.
Are you both like in college or you're working now?
I'm college now, first year college.
May we know what's your course?
Hospitality management.
I'm a graduate criminology.
So you're like a police officer now? What?
uh, uh, soon to be.
Soon to be. You're like taking the exam, kind of.
I passed my board examination.
Wow! Congratulations! That's beautiful, right? Okay, are you single or do you have like a boyfriend?
Single. Very
How long have you been single?
since birth.
Since birth. Wow! Why is that? Like, why? Why are you so single?
Because my parents are strict.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Why are they strict?
Because I'm the only daughter that has unique
Youngest.
Yeah, unique beauty.
has unique beauty.
What's your name and age?
Maria, 21. Turning 22. Turning 20.
When?
August.
Advance happy birthday. Okay, how are you tonight, Maria?
Okay.
You're good. Okay, she's very shy. But anyway, Maria, here's the question. Do Filipinas prefer blue eyes and blonde hair over Filipino men? In your opinion?
I think no. I think most of the girls here in the Philippines still prefer Filipinos
How can you say so?
because of the genes. Genes.
Because of the genes. So you think that Filipino women, they still want someone who's, with the same genes.
Yeah.
How about you?
Me.
Mhm.
Yeah. I don't know. Filipino pa rin.
Filipino. What's the thing you admire most about Western women?
Wait, their beauty. Yeah, Western women have this unique beauty.
What's your name and age?
Jerry, 18 years old.
Okay. So here's the question. Do you think Filipino men get jealous when Filipinas are with foreigners? Yes or no?
Yes na. I know. No.
No. Okay, how can you say no?
Kasi lahat naman po ng tao nagmamahal.
He said that no because everyone they love. They love everyone. I mean, everyone could love. That's what he meant. Everyone could love. Okay. How about you? Ikaw? Do you get jealous when you see someone like a Filipino with a foreigner?
No.
No?
No.
How about behind closed doors, or how about your friends, your family? Do they get jealous? How about yung mga family mo or mga friend mo na lalaki? Nagselos ba sila kapag nakakailing ng couple na Filipina and then foreigner?
Na hindi ko lang po masabi kasi mahirap naman po magsabi ng ano.
No, I want you to be very honest. No one is gonna bash you here, you know. What, yeah, just be honest. What do you think? Like, I mean,
Hindi naman po sila nagsiselos sa mga ibang mga dayuhan eh. Kasi kung ano naman po nasa kanila, doon na din po sila.
okay, they're not jealous. That's what he said. They're not jealous. What's your name and age?
I'm Rufa and I am 26 years old.
How are you tonight, Rufa?
I'm stressful and I am just finished my assessment in Tesla.
Wow, that's wonderful. And how was it? Very stressful, right?
Very stressful, but I'm relaxed for now because it is blissful because it gives me a lot of effort and advice in next national.
That's good. Okay, so here's the question, Rufa. Do Filipinas prefer blue eyes and blonde hair over Filipino men?
I must prefer, literally, I must prefer the blue eyes and it's most attracting and I am catchy about the blue eyes specifically. And also, I love watching the eyes in terms of the boys or the gentlemen. I prefer them because it's lovely and also attractive. That's
How about the majority of Filipinas? In your opinion, do they prefer someone with blue eyes, blonde hair, or Filipino men?
um I think it's more on, it depends on person, it's love. It depends on if they love the nature of we have in the Philippines or if they want to travel around. So for me, it's more on nature or the blue eyes. So I love the nature.
Oh, okay. How do you think Filipino men feel about Filipinas preferring foreigners?
Feeling ko is ma-offend sila in terms of that. Because we have a lot of Filipino or young, handsome, and gentleman Filipino. But they, especially we prefer as a girls or a lady, we prefer a foreign. So we, maybe in the near future, we see or we saw our children that they have the unique beautifications or beauty that they have.
They will feel offended.
Yes.
What's the thing you admire most about Western women?
The beauty they have, the small faces they have, especially the eyes and the lips. That is the one that attract some of the Filipino. Or also, they are unique like a Barbie. So, yeah, that's, I think, for me,
Are you single or do you have a partner right now?
a single.
How long have you been single?
For almost 3 years. I guess 2 years.
So are you like looking for in a relationship, or like are you ready for like a long, I mean a real relationship that could lead to marriage, something like that?
Yeah. I'm waiting for something that for me accept who I am and love me the most lovable. So yeah,
Okay, are you working now or you're still still studying?
working right now. I'm a tutorial teacher or teacher for
That's beautiful. What are you teaching? Like language? Wow.
no, yeah, mathematics.
Wow, mathematician.
Na the hate of the most Filipino, the math.
Including me. I hate math.
So most of the time mathematics.
Okay. Well, anyway, Rufa, we really appreciate your time. Thank you. You're welcome. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection